Okay, baby, I'm baiting my lines. See if we can't get us a big catfish. Well, guys, the sun's a setting. Last line, and I think it's my last worm. Okay, here we go. (6:11), 6:22, the sun will set. Let's go get a fire started. Nutria's been sliding up and down here, I bet, or a coon. That's the old tree I hammock camped in. Water got up there pretty high in that tree. Okay, we are back to camp. I smothered my fire before I ever got it started. Don't that suck? You're supposed to be better than that, Butch. I'll tell you what I want to do. I want to relay it. I forgot to do something important right there. I'll be right back. Okay, I can see that it's not out. We're gonna fix this problem right now. Okay. I know better than this. Let's lay that there. Let's see. Actually, let's lay this over here like this. Put that one like that. Little long, little long. Let's put that like that. To where I can get my finger in there. There we go. I can blow that back to life. There's no doubt about it. Forgot to make a spot for it to breathe. That was the mistake I made. And of course, the smoke goes right into the camera. John Morrell hot sausage. Hot smoked sausage. That's what's for supper. Get me some coals burnt down here. I don't want a large fire because there's a lot of dead grass out here. I just need a few coals to cook my supper. Well, good morning. It only got down to 50 degrees last night, so this little old sleeping bag right here kept me good and warm. I can't remember the name of it, but 50 degrees is its comfort rating. It's a 50 degree down sleeping bag. But with all that said, it's time for me to get up, get a fire started, get some coffee on, and then go check the fishing lines and see if we have any fish this morning. So, I can get my old body to get out from under this warm sleeping bag, I'll do it. Excuse me. All right. So, okay. We sure do. How many minutes you got on this old phone? 39? Not looking good, boys. Let's see what we got here, if anything. Nope. Bare hook. Bare hook. Not good. Another bare hook. Not good. Not good at all. Oh, Ben still has some bait on it. So we'll leave that out there till I come back and get it. We may have fished this hole dry. You can see where something's traveling this pretty heavily. This ain't looking too promising either. Oh, looky there. Got a small one. Oh, this hole seems to be plumb full of drum. That's for sure. Huh. All right, bud, you go back, because I'm not hungry for drum. I'm wanting catfish. All right, I'll have to come back and get my hooks. Looks like Nutra sliding in and out of here. Water rat. Pretty steadily, it looks like. I'm assuming that's an armadillo hole. That's what it looks like to me. And I've been seeing where armadillos digging around everywhere. This is their work. I guess they're going after roots. Oh, ain't that a mess? You ever seen a mess like that before? Water looks hot. We're gonna have some Folgers caramel this morning. Okay. Okay guys, this morning we're going to try cooking a couple of eggs just like this. There's a guy that's got a YouTube channel that has a survival school in South Texas. His name is Bob Hansler, I believe. And he's got a place there on the San Antonio River. And in one of his videos, he showed his guys how to cook eggs just by placing a small hole in the tip and placing them in the coals. So we're going to give this a try and see how it works. The coffee's just about ready. that's good coffee. Well, good morning, folks. I'm out here at Miss Kay's place. We've had such beautiful weather for February, 81 degrees. The thermometer only showed it got down to 50 here last night. So I came out and threw a few lines in the water and just sat out here and watched the campfire. It was a really good time. The fishing was a bust. I caught one drum. And if I was hungry, I would eat the drum, but I'm not hungry. I was hoping for some more catfish, but I think we've about fished that hole dry. Gonna have to wait till the river comes on a rise again and washes some more fish in. I'm not the only one that fishes right there. People park at the crossing and walk down and fish there as well, so it doesn't take long when the water gets low to fish it out. But I'm going to sit here and enjoy this cup of coffee. And we're trying a little experiment. I put 2 eggs in the campfire. You poke a small hole in the end of each one. Place them near the coals and you just leave them. And it'll cook them like a boiled egg. I got that tip off a YouTube channel from a gentleman that has a survival school down in South Texas, right on the San Antonio River. And an interesting story, my grandpa grew up on the San Antonio River, down near Corn City. And anyway, it's we're going to give this a try and see if we can cook these eggs this way. I've never done it. And then we'll pack things up and go back home, because tonight we got a good chance for some rain. I don't like the 60-mile-an-hour winds they're talking about and 1-inch hail. For February, that's awful early for that kind of weather. But we'll take the rain. Down here where we live in West Texas, we'll take the rain anytime we can get it. But this is a Wandering Graybeard. I'm going to drink this cup of coffee, and then I think I brought the good book with me. I'm going to do my morning scripture readings by the campfire this morning, and then when that tarp over there dries up, we'll pack up and head home. God bless each of you. Alright guys, this is interesting. I had 2 eggs in the fire pit, and one of them exploded. I guess I didn't make the hole big enough, but you can see here I've got yellow down in there. And I mean, it blew up like a bomb. It blew crap everywhere. There's egg scattered all over this place. So, that could very well be a safety concern. So be careful. When you are cooking eggs like that. I would say be careful when you're cooking eggs like that, because I was putting the hammock away and all of a sudden I heard boom! And pieces of egg rain down. I mean, it's everywhere. There's pieces everywhere you look. Egg, 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 egg. But I had two, so we're fixing to crack that one open, and we'll see what it looks like. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, it's still a little warm on the inside. Like it may have burned it a little bit. I got it a little too hot, I'm afraid. Ooh, that is hot. Made rubber out of that. Well, it's like peeling a boiled egg. That's what I got left. Bon appetit. It's just like a boiled egg. It's just like a boiled egg, boiled without water. Pretty good. The critters are going to get to gather up, eat egg all over the place. There's egg everywhere. Oh well. Got to have a little comedy in life. Just be careful, because if I'd have been standing over the fire, could have hurt my eyes. I obviously didn't make the hole big enough. Everything's picked up. These pieces you see are blown up egg. Wow, all the way over to here. Well, other than pieces of egg, all of my trash is picked up. Let's go home. Okay, the campfire's out. There's no smoke. I wet it and put dirt on top of it to be sure. These Jeeps are running rough. Well guys, this is the Wandering Graybeard. This is another little camp out in the books. Did some fishing, caught a drum. If we were hungry, we'd have got fed. But got to try cooking eggs the Bob Hansler way and learn a lesson. Make the hole bigger in the end of the egg or it'll explode. So if you do that, be careful. But I'm gonna go to the house. Today's Friday the 13th, my good luck day. So, and tomorrow's Valentine's Day. You guys better get your sweetie some candy or take her out to eat or something. Show your gal how much you love her. I know I'm going to. This is Wandering Graybeard saying adios. And you know what I say. Get out of the woods. It's good for the body and good for the soul. The peace and quiet's good for our minds. As my friend Ray says, it's also good for our spirits. And I truly believe that. Alright guys, until next time, God bless.